What's up guys, today I am going to talk about YouTube niches to make money without showing your face. Okay, let's start the video.
Audio Jungle.
First money-making niche is gaming. With over 100 million subscribers, PewDiePie has one of the biggest channels on YouTube. Run by Swedish gamer Felix Kjellberg, he uploads a blend of comedy, gossip, and gaming content. When Kjellberg launched the channel in 2010 though, he started with short, simple clips of him playing games like Minecraft. Are you a gaming great? If you can do with your thumbs what others can't, then you too could launch a channel demonstrating your skills. Not that good at gaming? Flip it around and show gaming fails instead. Make your clips compelling by adding a funny commentary, or show how to defeat a tricky boss. Remember, it's all about adding value to the viewer. Here is the first video PewDiePie uploaded.
Hämta fraps!
Jag gör det. Jag ser så jävla gay. Du bara vänta, jag ska visa dig. Vad fan håller han på med? Hugs. Hugs. I think he wants a hug. Det går att flytta på den.
The second money-making niche is top list videos. People love to rank things. The best striker, the funniest animals, or richest actors. Lots of YouTube channels list all sorts of weird and wonderful stuff from 10 to 1, 5 to 1, or whatever number to 1. From the weirdest things caught on camera to the biggest waves ever to hit ships, there are plenty of possibilities. It doesn't have to be weird, though that does attract curiosity. You could rank the top 10 luxury watches or 5 best shades of green nail polish. One channel with over 4.5 million subscribers, who only record commentary over images and B-roll footage stitched together as top 5 best. Below is a selection of the videos they started with. Today they get over 24 million views per month. Make sure if you are making a listicle that you enhance your chance of ranking in search with closed captions. 85% of all YouTube traffic is mobile and 62% of them watch videos with the sound off. Subtitles are important. I use Rev to close caption and translate my subtitles. The third money-making niche is unboxing and reviews. Most of us enjoy the online shopping process. Checking out different products and making a final choice. We often look at reviews to help us make up our mind. You may think the internet is awash with reviews. Who needs yet another review channel? But many reviews are poorly filmed or miss out on the necessary product information. And the injection of some personality can make you stand head and shoulders above other reviewers. If you don't have specialist knowledge, film unboxing videos instead. Some people like to see exactly what's in the box of a product they want to buy before they purchase it. Unbox Therapy has 16.7 million subscribers built around the idea of taking items out of retail boxes. He does show his face today, but when he started, he used an overhead camera in a fixed position filming his hands. Here is one of his first videos. The fourth niche is how to tutorials. People ask the internet, how do I, millions of times per day. It's the first place people go when they need help with a problem. Use your knowledge to set up a how to channel yourself on something you are good at. You'll find there are plenty of niches out there where you can educate others without needing to show yourself on video. For example, do you know a piece of software as well as anybody? Screen record yourself doing something on your computer. There is always someone on the lookout for a helpful video. Do you hand make your own jewelry? That is something that many people would like to learn to do and is perfect for an overhead shot of only your hands. The channel Beataholic has 500k subscribers and shows viewers how to hand make jewelry. And they started 9 years ago with simple short videos like the one shown below, just a static camera showing their hands making jewelry. Our last money-making niche is tech videos. As you can see, TechZone is a channel with over 2.5 million subscribers. They're getting an insane 20.586 million views per month. The videos this channel uploads are other people's videos stitched together with voiceovers on top. Now, you might ask, how are they showing other people's videos? Well, if you think about it, they're showing different products which the owners would love to promote. The owners are getting free advertising. So, how can you do the same thing and earn money without showing your face? Search for channels like TechZone and look for the products they're showing in their videos. Reach out to the owners of the company and tell them you plan to start a YouTube channel and wish to promote their products for free. I don't think anyone would say no to free advertising. That's all for today, and if you learned anything from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like.